there is a function f of x equals to x plus 1 times x squared minus 2 squared at a point, so 0, 4 is a point on the curve, because for this function, when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 4. First step is, I would like to find f prime, and then I would like to find the slope of the function at the given point. So let's find f prime. So we have f prime of x that is equals to, so this is a product of two factors, so there is a product rule. But in the second factor, we have x squared minus 2 inside a square, so there is a chain rule in there. So let's do the product rule first. Still remember the product rule? The product rule is, so let's put the product rule right here. So product rule is fg prime plus gf prime. All right, so let's do the fg prime. So fg prime is you copy the first factor and then plus 1, and then take the derivative of the second factor. So the second factor, you bring the 2 down, and then x squared, or let's don't write this, we bring the 2 down, whatever that is, raised to the 2 minus 1 power, so which is 1, and then by chain rule, you have to take the derivative of x squared minus 2, so d dx, and then x squared minus 2. And then the x squared minus 2 goes there as well. And then we plus gf prime x squared minus 2 square, and then the derivative of x plus 1, which is equals to 1. So let's do some labeling. This is f g prime. So this is f, and then this is a g prime, and then this is g, and then this is a f prime. And then what happened in here? This is a chain rule. So that should make your notes much clearer. So when you take the g prime, there is a chain rule in the g prime. All right, let's clean this up. So the derivative of x squared minus 2, that is equals to 2x. So you have f prime of x. So you have a x plus 1. And then you have a x squared minus 2 to the first power, and then you have a 2x, right? So that gives you a 2x. So let me just do a note right here. So this gives you a 2x, and then you take this 2x, multiply the 2, you have a 4x, and then plus x squared minus 2 squared. So this is our f prime. And then when at this point, so at 0, 4, so this is a point x, y, x is equals to 0. So let's find the slope f prime of 0. When you find a slope, you plug it into f prime. When you find a point on the curve, you plug it into function f. So you have 4, this is convenient, 4 times 0, then the whole thing is 0. 0 plus 1, and then 0 squared minus 2, so we have a big 0 right here. And then plus 0 squared minus 2 squared. So that means that is equals to, so everything depends on the second factor. So we have a negative 2 squared that is equals to 4. So this is my slope at point 0, 4. So that is my slope. And then now we have a slope, we have a point. We can build a tangent line. So we build a tangent line. Let's follow the color code. So now we have a point at 0, 4, and then slope is equals to 4. So we will be using the point slope form, y minus y1 equals to slope times x minus x1. You study this in elementary algebra. This is called point slope form of a line. So y minus y1 is 4, equals to slope times x minus x1, which is 0. So you have y equals to 4x minus 0 plus 4. So what 4x plus 4 is equation of the tangent line. So this is equation of the tangent line to the function at that specific point, 0, 4. So let me give you a big picture. So let's put the big picture right here. So suppose you have a curve, right? So let me use a parabola. I am not saying that this parabola is the graph of the given function. This is just an example. So let's say we have a parabola. I want to find the slope of the parabola at this point. Since the parabola is not a straight line, so using the formula to find the slope for the straight line is not going to work. So what we are trying to do first is we found f prime of x. So what is f prime of x? F prime of x is you use one function to describe the slope of the curve at any point. Okay, you are using one function to describe the slope of a curve at any point. And then now, next I gave you a point, so the point is right over here, and then you plug in the x value, whatever x equals to f prime to find the slope. All right, so f prime is equals to 4, so at this point the slope is equals to 4, and then we can build a tangent line. Tangent line is one straight line that is touching the curve one time at the given point. So what is the equation of this straight line? That is y equals to 4x plus 4. So that is a picture for this problem. And that is also the end of this video. If you think my instruction is helpful, give me a like, share the video for me, click the subscribe button if you are on your way out. I will catch you all in the next lesson. Signing out.